it, boom, there's your drop. Done, okay? So, you know, I think they're going to keep selling. And you know what's going to happen if they do keep selling because of these tariff reasons? It's going to drop right here back to 167.5. Man, we may see it back at 160 again. You know? So
you think you're going to buy it tomorrow? You think it's just...
Well, you know, I think it's not a bad trade at all. I think it will move lower, but the question is, with Apple, like, you know, with Google, we can expect to drop 20, 30 bucks. With this, what, $2, $3, you know? And is it are they gonna try to hold it at 170? Because a lot of money moved into it, but now with these tariffs and, you know, really looking into the harsh reality of this tariff situation, it may drop faster than anything else we have seen, you know, because there's just too many people that bought the damn stock and they're going to unload it. And what do you see? This is a typical double top. Look, it's the same level here, same level here. It's a double top, all right? It doesn't get better than this. It's a double top. They're going to sell it, probably see it 167 to 160 level in the next week or two. Look at this. They're selling it. They're selling the stock.
Yeah.
You got this top here in the accumulation. You got a lower top as the stock moves higher. They're selling. There's your diversions right here. They're selling the stock. I feel bad for those that bought it yesterday at 180, thinking it's going higher.
Yeah.
Thank God it wasn't you and it wasn't me. Okay. So.
What do you think about this ROP?
ROP. I think it's a dog. I think it ain't moving nowhere. I know you love it for some reason. I don't know. Maybe you just spend some time with it, and you know.
Yeah, I mean, it made a double top, you know.
I know. No, I know. I like the double top. It doesn't have really any major moves, you know, as far as the volatility, right? I mean, it may go down a few dollars, but that's about it. It's not going to move down $20, right?
Yeah, in a day.
So that's the whole point, okay? And so where does it go from here? Okay, so it's got maybe $7 to move lower to 260, maybe 255, okay? And then what from there? I mean, how long is it going to stay there? See, it has a history of these very small, tiny moves, which is when you ask me, well, should I buy it? I said, well, I don't know. I like the graph, but I said I don't like the volatility. You know, that was my main reason not to trade options on this, because I don't think the volatility was as great. Now, of course, if you would have bought it, I don't know, when did you buy it? At what price level?
Well, I bought it, I forgot the numbers, but I bought it I had that in I made some profit this morning and I got out. It was in the portfolio.
Okay.
But I'm thinking, you know, for long term, maybe 3-6 months, should I just buy it? Look at the graph in the last 1 year, it just dropped. It just went up like $100 since 2017. So, I mean, you're looking at like 3 months graph, but if you look at the long-term graph, it looks like it's gone, you know, 100% up.
But look, I mean, if you like it, you got reasons to do it. Just pull the trigger on it, buy it. I mean, there's plenty of bearish signals. Look at this right here. Look at the accelerating volume. I mean, all of these things, I think all these technology stocks, they happen to share the same attributes right now. Accelerating volume on the way down. You know, they got bearish patterns on the MACD. They got bearish pattern on acceleration. They got divergence with the RSI hitting the double top. I mean, all these signs, they're there in all of these stocks right now.
How about lending tree?
Lending tree? I don't know. It's just the options are so high on it, and I think it's pretty tough to make the money given the prices of the options. Yeah, is it going to move lower? I think so, but you know, the options are just sky high for this type of stock. I would rather short Tesla than this thing.
Yeah.
You know? Okay, but I mean, how low can it go? Like, you know, why don't you just price this tomorrow? Price the 300 puts on this going like a month and a half out. Don't go like crazy 6 months out or nothing like that. Just go 2 months out, like March and April. Just look at the third week of April puts on this and see how much they're priced. And if they're not ridiculously high, I'd buy the 300 level easily because I think it could go down to 270. Like I think it could move $70 lower in 2 months.
Right. There's a possibility.
Yeah, but I guarantee you they're going to be something crazy like $10 or something, So then it really doesn't make sense to buy them. But if they're like $3, then yeah, I would buy them.
All right, so basically for tomorrow, these three will be the targets: Amazon, Tesla, and Google.
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
Watch and hope. We hope it open up a little higher up, and then we can buy puts. But if it opens lower, then what? Watch. Hold on.
Well, if it opens lower, let's see by how much lower. If it opens like with a gap down, if the market opens 200 points lower, then we need to see how the stocks that we're watching, right? We're building a severe drop case for, some pretty good stocks. Google, Amazon, Priceline, which index is dropping by more, and is it driven by the technology stocks? So if the technology stocks are selling, I would short them anyways. It doesn't matter if it gapped up 200 points, I would short them anyways. But there is a chance it's going to gap down, and they maybe try to hold it up for a second and try to bring it up higher, and that's the point when I would try to bring the hammer and open some more shorts. But, who knows? Tomorrow could be just one of those days where it starts dropping, it just drops throughout the whole day with just maybe minor significant moves higher throughout the day. Or another opportunity is everybody's going to be sober up and they'll forget everything about the tariffs and the trade wars by tomorrow morning. Okay, and they'll focus on something else like today never happened. If you have been curious how to make the money when markets fall, please visit marketcrash.money and get some additional information. Specifically, I have compiled some interesting reasons why stock market crash 2010 is a definite possibility, why we could be going for another Bitcoin crash, and more importantly, how to not let the market crash or the Bitcoin crash take advantage of you. Find out how to profit. If you're a new trader or an experienced trader, but you're looking for new ideas, new ways, how to take advantage of the market fall. Because quite honestly, markets do fall much, much faster than they go up. So it represents, for a trader, a great opportunity to profit on the opposite direction of the market in a much shorter time frame, and oftentimes maximize much bigger returns. So if interested in knowing the ways how I trade weekly options for huge profits as much as 3,800% to 5,000% on certain days, get in touch with me. Visit this link right here, how to profit, read some information, and schedule your consultation. I'll be glad to help out and get somebody on the right track and show you some of my profitable ideas and share some experience which I've accumulated over the last 30 years trading weekly options. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you soon.